Frustrated with your Equinox's Bluetooth? Here's how to get it working again. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's settings. Sometimes it's as simple as flipping that switch. Next, on your Equinox's touchscreen, tap Phone, then Pair Device. Now grab your phone. Search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see your Chevy pop up. Tap on it to start pairing. If you're asked for a PIN, just enter the code shown on your car's screen. Confirm the pairing on both your phone and the car. Still not connecting? Try deleting your phone from the car's paired devices list. Then, remove the Chevy profile from your phone's Bluetooth menu. Restart both your phone and the car, then try pairing again. If it's still acting up, check for software updates on your phone and your Equinox's infotainment system. Outdated software can cause connection issues. And finally, if nothing works, it might be time to consult your Chevy dealership or check your owner's manual. That's it. Simple steps to get your Chevy Equinox Bluetooth connection working again. Safe driving.